be going through it, like looking so rough after a workout. Look at this. And now I need to lay my baby hairs down. These hairs down. But workout is complete. Now it's time to get the day started. I'm about to shower and go ahead on about the day. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're new, my name is LaMonica. Here on my channel, you will find beauty and lifestyle content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. So I just completed my Stay Down, Get Down Fit. It's a HIIT class. So super excited because I just feel good every time I do that class. So taking you guys along with me today, day in the life. We're going to have a few errands to run. Today, the Tabitha Brown drop or collection at Target drop. So man, my mother had me up this morning talking about what you want, what you did. Too much, okay? Congrats to Tabitha. I hope you guys were able to grab something from the collection. Super excited. It's very springy, all that, but nevertheless, I'm ready to get in the shower. Sweating. But I'll take you guys along with us today. We're gonna run some errands, see some family, do a couple things, so stay tuned. This is so cute. This is so cute. $30. This is so cute. There's a short. Oh yeah, that's cute. So as you guys saw, stuff was basically gone in certain sizes for certain items, but this is the first day, so don't get discouraged if you didn't get anything, because just keep checking your Targets to see when they're going to get a shipment in to restock on the collection that came out, because one of the workers said they should be getting another shipment in. So it's all about shipment and just patiently waiting. Sometimes you won't get it the day it comes out, but very, very proud of Tab. And the stuff looks good. It's good quality, actually. So I'm gonna get something from Target. I should be getting my coffee, but let's see if they have these chips for babe. Let's see. I had to take my mask off so I can talk to y'all, but I'm about to put it back on, so I will get back with you guys after checking this stuff. All right, y'all. Now at Walmart. Maybe you gonna say hi to the folks? Anyway, heading into Walmart, grab a few things, and we'll go from there.
It's time for a little party. Original bad mind. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now.
It was a video on Dave Ramsey, I think. And the person called in and said that their parents gave them $40,000 or something like that. What should they do with it? I cracked up at the title because, bruh, an extra $40,000. What? Of course, you save some, you invest some, and you do what you want to do with the rest. What do you think? What would you do if your parents just put $40,000 extra
in my hand right now. How would I go about it?
And y'all let us know down below, what would you do if your parents gave you an extra, or any loved one just gave you, you know, $40,000 and that's extra for you? Or it could be you pay something off or do something, whatever, travel, whatever. What would you do? Let me know down in the comments. I didn't get a chance to click on the video yet to see what was going to be said. So, matter of fact, let us listen to that and get back to this. Joann's. Yo, this is a happy space for me. When I was doing my wedding bouquets and stuff, that's why I had came here, is the spot. But like these little, why are they on sale? What they on sale for? These are cute. Let me see what 70% off is this. What type of stuff is this? I had to put the window down. Y'all, we just went to Starbucks. They did not have matcha. I don't know why every time I'm trying to go get matcha, they don't be having the matcha powder. This place didn't even have...
They didn't even have eggs.
They didn't even have eggs. They didn't even have eggs. They didn't have stuff to make chai. Like, why are y'all open? This is all they had. And they've got a acai lemonade. Like, why are y'all open? Y'all know I had to come tell y'all and vent about this. Starbucks, come on. What's going on? You need to have that matcha on deck because you know everybody want to try the different types of matcha. They had banana loaf bread. You only saying that because that's what you like to get from there. They have nothing. So I stuck to having this caramel frappuccino with extra caramel drizzle.
If they ain't had that
and I
banana
still
bread, we would have pulled up. Like,
yeah, if they didn't have the banana bread,
we was
gonna leave.
Then they really didn't have anything.
It's pretty good, but you know when you have a taste for something, like I just felt like a matcha powder was just so much healthier. This is so much sugar, which is why I only got a tall, which is a small. And I forgot they didn't have anything on the list, so I didn't even get a chance to say, oh, I just want, you know, almond milk or coconut milk in here. Anyway, I caught a good deal at Joann's. I can't wait to show y'all this stuff. I'll show y'all that in a later date because it's actually wrapped all up, but it was a nice vase. I'll try to put a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about if I can find it. Oh, I may have showed y'all a clip on the store, but that vase was on sale for $8.99. That big vase was originally like $30. 70% off. Don't sleep on Joann's or like Michael's and stuff like that. Anyway, we're now heading to our next location, so I will check back in once we get there.
My baby. It's time for a little party. Original bad man.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna try Marshalls because TJ Maxx didn't have anything. We went to my aunt's house, but I didn't want to vlog in there. It was just real chill. But the pop off is going on tomorrow, so we'll see. She's going to the same dress I was going to, that green one. But let me put my mask on. Mask on and shop around. All right, y'all, so we are now finally eating dinner. We decided to just get some Chick-fil-A. I have a Southwest chicken salad. Babe has strips and fries. And this is, we're gonna cut it off here. This is a long day of hanging out, seeing family, and then tomorrow we're gonna pick back up with some cookouts, birthday events, church.
And do the exact same thing again.
Do the exact same thing again. So we will see you guys tomorrow. We're just gonna enjoy this and call it a night. So
and whatever you all decide to do this evening, be safe.
What Babe said, be safe. See you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. So today is my church picnic. You can kind of see the cookout going on right there. And also heading to my aunt's birthday celebration as well today. So today's gonna be packed filled with outside cookout activities, but I wanted to check in with you guys and say happy Sunday. It is a new day. Just keep in mind that you are free from whatever it is that you're going through. Jesus has set it straight for you to be free. His promise, he keeps his word. So just wanted to encourage someone today. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that we are about to get started with the church picnic. These are our shirts this year. They're really nice. So yeah, so we're at a park and that's what we're doing right now. So I'll check back in with you guys when some of the food is ready because I'm hungry, and as you guys saw, the only thing that's available right now is the fruit salad that I made.
It's time for a little party. Original bad man. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the